guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to cover the porch concrete, the pad out in front of the garage, and then all this steel underneath the porch, kind of how we trim it out, all that kind of good stuff. Before we get to that, don't forget we have a Patreon for self-builders where we talk about different topics every month. Check that out. We can help you with your design. If you're trying to design a post frame building or home, email us, design@MrPostFrame. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. She's back. Alright guys, so we added Versetta stone down here, and so the piece of steel that kind of went around the porch and down was cut to meet with 36-inch wainscoting. Versetta stone comes up like about 2 inches short with a cap without having to like cut one, so we're replacing that piece, and then we're going to put all the steel underneath the porch and wrap this steel up. Good, Cash? Yep. You guys can trace that out if you want. Alright guys, we're making it along here. And so we got our Versetta stone, then we have our cap, and then my metal supplier, I just had them bend this piece right here. And what it is, there's a hem on the bottom here. This comes out 1 inch. There's a hem, and then it comes up 3 inches. I did have them put like a slight down bend here, so when I push this trim down, it's got pressure down on the stone, and that allows the water to slide off as well. But we just butt that up, and then we run J trim down the sides of the windows, and then our steel goes right in there, and it just ends up being a nice finished look. You can see right here, looks real nice. So we have 1, 2, 3 panels left, and every piece of steel will be up on the house. Alright, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a nasty rainy day, but all I had to do was work under the porch, and I got all the metal underneath the porch done. And boy, does it look nice. All these windows made for a lot of extra work, but boy is it beautiful. So, electrician has to do all his wiring, and then we can do this ceiling. All that metal is sitting right there. I've got the FJ trim up, so we're ready to rock and roll.
/radio and get an additional interest rate discount. That's lightstream.com/radio. Lightstream.com/radio.
Alright, so that's going to be a wrap on this video. We'll check out the bottom of these posts. A lot of people are concerned about that, but we poured the concrete up right to the bottom of these brackets. So that filled in around that rebar that goes down into the footing. So this is going to be rock solid. We had them brush kind of a nice circle around them. Just makes it look a little more finished. But hopefully, hopefully this will help somebody. That's the point of our show. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And as always, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.